Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or turn on vanish mode on Instagram DMs. So if you want to turn on vanish mode for a particular Instagram account, but don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable vanish mode on Instagram DMs, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. This could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Then click on the message icon at the top right. Locate and click on the message where you want to turn on vanish mode. Now come here, click on the account profile name. Under the account profile name, locate and click on privacy and safety. Now once you click on privacy and safety, come to where you see keeping your message secure. Then turn on vanish mode. Send messages will disappear when you close the chat. Then go ahead and turn this on. And once turn that on, you can now hit the back button. Then vanish mode will be enabled for this particular account. And then you are good to go. You can see you've turned on vanish mode. So that is basically how to easily turn on vanish mode on Instagram DMs. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.